Hi my beautiful family, thank you so much for taking the time out to watch my video. If this is your first time, welcome. Go ahead and push that subscribe button and like button and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, you know I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now today fam, I'm getting ready to do something different. I'm going to do some bohemian home decor. Go ahead on and comment below if you like this project. Thank you again for watching. Supplies you would need are 4 canvases, 1 nautical rope, some words, and 1 bunches of leaves. The first thing I'm going to do is glue all 4 canvases together. Next, I'm going to glue the rope around all 4 canvases to hold them into place. Next, I'm going to place all my leaves on top of my canvases. I'm just trying to see exactly where I want to place them. This look was looking a little bit too plain for me, so I decided to add some different plants to it. I purchased this hot bush plant from the Dollar Tree, and I thought this was the perfect time to use it. Now I'm just gluing each plant down to the canvases. In order to cover the stems, I cut out 2 leaves from my artificial plant at home, and then I glued it to the stems. My canvas still wasn't secure enough in the middle, so I decided to cut out a piece of display board and glue it to the middle of it. For project number 2, you would need some rocks, some leaves, butterfly box, and a rope. The first thing I'm going to do is glue and wrap the rope around the box 4 times. I decided to use my words for project number 2 instead of project number 1. I am picking words that describe you guys to me. I will be using my Mod Podge to glue my words onto my box. The first word I picked is family. Over here at Monica Monet Collection, we are family, and I appreciate each and every person that supported. The next word that I chose was cherish. I cherish you guys from the bottom of my heart. The next word I'm going to use is celebrate. I want to celebrate all the moms and dads out there that is going through a lot during this time, that is working hard. I just want to celebrate you for keep on keeping on. Now, the next word I chose is welcome. I always say at the beginning of all my videos, welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. That's because I appreciate each and every person that stopped by and take the time out to watch my videos. I thank you from where? The bottom of my heart. A piece of the letter came off onto my finger, so I'm just going to fill it in with a black marker. Finally, I'm going to place my leaves inside of my box. The rocks are supposed to be looking like dirt, so I'm actually supposed to be putting it inside of dirt. For my final project, I'm going to use a wooden tray, leftover rope, jewelry box, candles that I use, and leaves with stems and words. The first thing I'm going to do is glue my rope around my tray. Next, I'm going to add my words onto my jewelry box. I'm using the word heart and smile. You make my heart smile. Okay, I cleaned all my candle from inside of my container. Now I'm going to glue my rope around it. Next, I'm going to put some words on my glass, and the words I chose was love you. I glued 2 leaves onto my rope, one at the beginning and the other one at the end. Now I'm going to place my gems inside of my glass jar. Finally, I'm going to add my leaves right inside my glass jar. The gems will hold it together.
I can